Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the right hardware and app so you capture clean sound immediately. Connect a USB-C mic or plug an XLR mic into a compact audio interface via OTG. Android must support it. Once connected, open your recording app and disable automatic gain control because it squashes dynamics. Make sure the app is set to 48K Hz and 24-bit for headroom. Set input gain low, then speak at performance volume while raising gain until peaks reach about -6 dB. Once you have levels set, focus on technique to get studio quality tone. Place the mic 6 to 12 inches away, slightly off-axis, and use a pop filter to tame plosives. This controls proximity effect and keeps bass even. Make a test phrase and listen with closed-back headphones, using the interface's direct monitoring or the app's low-latency mode to avoid echo. If you hear clipping, lower gain or step back. If thin, move closer or add gentle low frequency, boost later in editing. You finish by cleaning the performance and preparing deliverables. Import the file into a mobile or desktop editor, remove noise and breaths, then apply a gentle high-pass filter around 80 Hz and subtle EQ cuts where muddiness shows. Compress lightly to glue dynamics and de-sibilance. Normalize to -1 dB true peak and export WAV or FLAC for best fidelity. If you encounter latency or clipping, reduce buffer size, lower gain at source, or record a second takes slightly quieter to preserve peaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.